With KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. Tomorrow we are going to start to see improvements before we start to see the opposite of improvements. Tomorrow, we're going to see mostly sunny skies build in from the east, while we still have some moisture lingering around that we've seen today here on Oahu and Kauai. Well, tomorrow that may continue for the west end of the islands as that disturbance moves further away. There's going to be a period of a dry air mass moving through before we get the direct impacts from Kiko. Now, again, as of right now, Category 2 with sustained winds of 105 miles an hour. It's located about 550 miles east of Hawaii Island currently. As it has its current track passing north of the islands, it will be passing as a tropical storm with, as of right now, as mentioned, less than a 10% chance of tropical storm winds impacting the islands. Rains, not very much, at least in terms of heavy showers associated with hurricane strength systems, but we are expected to get a lot of afternoon shower activity. You cannot rule out any thunderstorms as well, especially for the Kona coast of Hawaii Island. The biggest thing is going to be, of course, our ocean conditions. And what we see as of right now is that's going to continue to be building, especially by tomorrow afternoon. And high surf advisory levels could be triggered by tomorrow, high surf warning levels. And this will be for east-facing shores, triggered by tomorrow evening into Tuesday, when we are expecting to see the peak of the swells generated by Kiko. Now, in terms of the exact track and the intensity will be dependent on the highest peak and the highest wave surfs will be dependent on the track and intensity of Kiko. Now, as of right now, 1 to 3 footers up towards the north, 3 to 5 for the west, 4 to 6 for the south, and 4 to 6 for the east. But again, east-facing shores will rapidly be increasing the closer Kiko moves through. So as of right now, in terms of what we're going to be expecting, if we move on to this next graphic, we're going to be seeing, again, the timeline of Kiko approaching our offshore waters, which is about 40 nautical miles out from the islands. And that's where we do have hurricane warnings issued, nothing close to our islands. Now, in terms of this timeline, we are going to be seeing Tuesday will be the day with the greatest impact, but it's going to be, as of right now, looking to be kind of wishy-washy in terms of where periods of heavy downpours, where some periods of thunderstorms could be taking place. Nothing is expected to be very significant for long periods of time. With all this moisture, unfortunately, that means we're going to be seeing much more humidity levels for the next few days ahead of us. Good news is this looks to be such a quick period. Tuesday into Wednesday. By Thursday, we should be seeing drier air mass following Kiko. That should be bringing down the rain chances. Unfortunately, winds, one, will get back to the east. That's a good thing. Unfortunately, it's going to remain on the weaker side of the spectrum.